Welcome to Youth for Works tutorial. Today we are going to speak about Youth for Works Premium College Solutions, which helps in enhancing web presence with assessed profiling of colleges. It also promotes inclusive learning. Well, as you can see, we have as on date 3,97,675 registered user profiles, 5,931 registered colleges, 10,925 registered employers, 16,278 listed jobs, and 6.4 million question attempts. The figure keeps on changing every second. Well, now we would like to take you to a verified premium profile. The sign now being shown to you depicts a verified premium profile sign. All the students of Premium College will be upgraded to premium verified profiles, highlighting them to employers with the help of this sign. An active premium profiled youth is highlighted on talent boards, where employers can search and contact them. Our premium profiling system and Youth for Work platform creates a Google-friendly, globally searchable professional profile. Students can actually add complete work portfolios, certificates, blogs, etc. They can get to know which person and employer viewed their profile from which part of the globe and when. Active members have the special auto-apply feature, which matches them to the best jobs and automatically applies them to these jobs and ensuring better and more job opportunities. They are also recommended to employers automatically. Now, as we can see the whole profile of a student, you get to know their education details, their talent profiles. Like we have sales management, international business, English language. The reputation points are also built. The work experience, if there is any, student can definitely list that too. Their key projects, extracurricular activities, whatever they are interested in, their recent blogs. Each and every detail can be highlighted over here. Even their popularity can be known. Like in this scenario, we can see 219 locations have viewed this profile. Now I would like to present to you popularity option. Popularity option actually helps the student to know who all are viewing their profiles and from which areas. It can be a company also, it can be peer college students also, it can be educators also. As in this profile, we can see the different areas like California, Maharashtra. These are the varied areas that the profile has been viewed from. The next in line is premium college profiling. Any college is marked with this sign represents a premium college profile. A premium account for premium college would be created on youthforwork.com, featuring as one of the institute in its genre. Thus, admission seeker will be able to contact Premium College directly by filling the inquiry form. Highlight your college as one of the top colleges in the related fields and courses on college search pages at Youth for Work. Students of the college can also share blogs, news and events internally within their college community. They can share their study material and get access to all their alumni info, etc. Now I would like to take you to the college rank board. Youth for Work will assist and help all the students of college in creating their profiles at Youth for Work, which will all be listed on college's students section. Like here we can see list of students from this particular college. Their names have been listed and they can be categorized in the form of batches, specialization, courses, talents, locations. Furthermore, faculty profiles and facilities to create class tests for their students is also available on Youth for Work's website. Like here can be seen names of 2 faculties from this particular college. Each and every faculty has an option of creating their profile with Youth for Work. Simultaneously, each faculty member can share study materials and will be allowed to create unlimited class tests for their students. Class tests are MCQ tests created which a faculty member can lock and only selective users to participate once. The results will be in a rank board for participants of that test. Now we can see campus assessment solution. The class test we have just discussed about. Next in line is performance test. Youth for Work preparatory assessments will be valid for the students of all years. These assessments will help students to understand their skill gaps, and there are different modules available for the students of each year. Next is psychometric test. Youth for Work will help college administration to know the behavioral analysis of their students to make appropriate changes and improvements. The result of each test will create a rank board for the students to know where they stand. Reports tutorial has been separately created for you to have a deeper insight. Y test for students. Every student can pick from more than 500 talent preferred Y tests. Here you will get your Y rank for each Y test taken. Better Y rank leads to more talent-specific job opportunities. Next is website integration and API. We'll give an API solution where the college can include their college profile on their own college website, allowing employers to see their college and student profiles. That'll be all from the campus solutions. Thank you for watching.